Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted guide for deep dive reviews of top-rated products. Today, we're introducing what we confidently call the best bottom-load stainless steel water cooler available on the market, the Brio self-cleaning bottom-loading water cooler dispenser. Let's dive straight in. Right out of the box, the Brio water dispenser makes an impression. The black stainless steel exterior is sleek, modern, and fits beautifully in just about any space, from minimalist kitchens to busy office corners. The build feels premium, not just in appearance but in durability. It doesn't just look clean, it stays clean too, and that brings us to one of its standout features. This water cooler is self-cleaning. Yes, you heard that right. Using built-in UV technology, it sanitizes the internal water lines and reservoir to prevent the buildup of bacteria and biofilm. All at the push of a button. That means healthier water and less maintenance for you. Now, functionality is where Brio really flexes. It offers 3 temperature settings: hot, cold, and room temperature, making it versatile enough for everything from instant oatmeal and tea to crisp cold hydration. The hot water is piping and perfect for coffee lovers. The cold setting is icy, not lukewarm like many other dispensers in the same category. And the room temperature option is a great touch, especially for families with children or anyone who prefers a neutral sip. One thing we love is the bottom-loading design. No heavy lifting, no flipping water jugs upside down. You simply slide the 3 or 5 gallon jug into the base compartment, connect the hose, and you're done. This design also keeps the unit looking tidy and balanced. And let's talk about usability. The LED display is intuitive, the buttons are responsive, and there's a night light built in, which is incredibly handy for late-night water runs. There's also a child safety lock on the hot water button, an important touch for households with young ones. Inside, the system uses a powerful compressor to keep the temperatures consistent, and you'll find a removable drip tray that makes cleanup simple. Speaking of power, the unit is energy efficient and quiet. So whether it's in a kitchen, home office, or shared workspace, it won't disrupt the flow of your environment. Brio has also added small quality of life improvements that matter, like a clear indicator that lets you know when the bottle is empty. No more awkward surprises when you're trying to fill a cup only to realize the jug is dry. Installation is quick. Plug it in, load the water bottle, and you're good to go. No plumbing required. And for those who wonder about maintenance, apart from the occasional wipe down and replacing the jug, there's not much you'll need to do, thanks to the self-cleaning function. To sum it all up, if you're looking for a water dispenser that is reliable, hygienic, attractive, and easy to use, the Brio self-cleaning bottom-loading water cooler ticks every box. It's not just a water dispenser, it's a long-term hydration solution. So that's our full review of the Brio water cooler. If you're looking for a one-time investment in convenience and clean water, this is the one to beat. Subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product breakdowns and real-world insights. See you in the next video.